I'm just trying to show my hair, my wash and go, day 3 or day 4. Day 3, I think. This is day 3. Still giving. And you know, I'm doing the pineapple, of course. So that's what's going down. That's what's keeping it up. I don't put anything else in it besides what I put in it originally. I haven't put anything else in it. I just do my pineapple at night. Matter of fact, yesterday I didn't even do the pineapple. What sometimes I would do is whatever shirt I had on for the day, I would kind of like take it off, but like just leave it at the head and preserve my hair like that. But that's on a lazy night. Uh-oh. Get down. Look, Cheyenne's trying to get up here. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this hair lasts, honey. Yeah, so like I said, this is day 3. And we don't know how long we're gonna stretch it. Like I was just thinking about putting it like in a ponytail or something, but then that's definitely gonna start minimizing what I can do to it because it's gonna stretch out some parts more than they need to be stretched, which I can fix by just spraying the water onto my hair, but I'd rather not do that. So I'm gonna let it run its course until I get tired of rocking the fro, and then we'll try some other styles that I can do to my hair with the wash and go. But like, yeah, you see it just get bigger. It definitely gets bigger. It is day 5. It's looking rough around the front, around the edges. Still got body. Still soft. It is feeling dry. I can bring it back to life though. But question is, will I? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Hiieishh back again with another video. Listen. This wash and go is like 6-7 days old. I have done literally nothing to it but pineapple at night. So I'm about to attempt to bring it back to life a little bit. Maybe do something different. We don't know. Just you know. Get my spray bottle. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna refresh it. The water's on. Just the fingertips. gonna shrivel up in some areas. There's some little stragglies. It's the fullness for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.